I tested over 40 free AI tools in the last 90 days. Most of them are completely overhyped and a waste of your time, but 5 of them genuinely changed how I work, and I'm still using all of them today. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what each one does, and more importantly, how to actually use it to save time starting today. Let's go. The first tool is ChatGPT, and before you skip ahead, hear me out. Most people use ChatGPT like a search engine. They type a question, get an answer, and close the tab. That's leaving 90% of its value on the table. The real power is in how you prompt it. Instead of asking, "What is email marketing?" try this. I run a small online business. Give me a 5-step email sequence to convert new subscribers into buyers with subject lines for each email. You just turned a generic question into a complete action plan in under 10 seconds. ChatGPT Free gives you access to GPT-4o, which as of 2026 is still one of the most capable AI models available at no cost. The free plan has daily limits, but for most people, they're more than enough. Best use: writing, brainstorming, summarizing, learning anything fast. The second tool is Perplexity AI, and this one genuinely surprised me. I replaced Google with Perplexity for 30 days straight. Here's what I found. For research, it's not even close. Google gives you 10 blue links. Perplexity gives you a direct answer with the sources right there so you can verify everything. No ads, no SEO spam, no clicking through 5 websites to find one useful paragraph. Here's a practical example. I asked, "What are the best free tools to edit videos in 2026? Google showed me articles from 2022 with sponsored results at the top. Perplexity gave me an updated sourced answer in about 4 seconds. If you do any kind of research for work, school, content, or business, Perplexity will save you a serious amount of time. Best use: research, fact-checking, finding current information fast. Quick note: if you want a full video on the best AI tools specifically for content creators, or for students, or for running a business, subscribe and let me know in the comments. That's exactly the kind of content I'm making every week on this channel. Number 3 is Notion AI. If your notes, ideas, and tasks are scattered across 5 different apps right now, this is probably your solution. Notion is already one of the best productivity apps available. The AI layer on top makes it genuinely powerful. You can paste a messy brain dump of ideas and ask it to turn them into a structured project plan. You can upload meeting notes and ask it to extract action items. You can write a rough draft and ask it to improve the tone and structure. The free plan of Notion includes limited AI usage, which is enough to test whether it fits your workflow before committing. Best use: organizing information, project management, turning chaos into clarity. This fourth tool is one that almost nobody is talking about yet, which is exactly why I'm including it. It's called Napkin AI. Here's what it does. You paste any text, a paragraph, an idea, a list, and it automatically generates a visual diagram or infographic from it. No design skills needed, no Canva, no Figma, just text in, visual out. If you create content, make presentations, or explain complex ideas to other people, this tool is genuinely impressive, and it's completely free. Best use: turning ideas and text into visuals, presentations, and diagrams instantly. And the fifth tool is Gamma, and I saved this one for last because it has the highest wow factor of anything on this list. Creating a presentation used to take me 2 to 3 hours minimum. With Gamma, I can generate a fully designed, professional-looking deck in about 4 minutes. You type a topic or paste an outline. Gamma builds the slides, chooses layouts, adds visuals, and formats everything automatically. You can then edit anything you want. It uses AI to make design decisions that most people would spend hours on. This is the tool I recommend most to students, freelancers, and anyone who regularly needs to present ideas. Free plan gives you more than enough to get started. So those are the 5 free AI tools that I actually use and recommend in 2026. Here's the honest summary. If you're starting from zero, begin with ChatGPT and Perplexity. They have the biggest immediate impact with the smallest learning curve. Then add Gamma when you need to present something. Then explore Notion AI and Napkin as your workflow gets more complex. The people who learn to use these tools effectively today are building a real advantage, professionally and personally. If this video was useful, subscribe. I publish new videos every week covering AI tools, productivity systems, and automation strategies that actually work. I'll see you in the next one.